Next is your live streaming. And we're going back on the men, women's side, girl. Okay, we are in.
Come on. Try to pull your mask up on quick.
Put your mask, put your mask up, put your mask up, cover your nose and your mouth.
Okay.
They're all straight down and listen, nobody got no special. Miss Jones, step up. Jones! Put your mask over your nose and your mouth, take your hoods off. Come here and stand on the black line, say your full name. Full name.
Middle name too?
That's your name?
Dacian Michelle Jones.
Okay, Miss Jones, thank you. We're on the record, calling case number. Oh, okay. Miss Jones, before we get to the case with the attorney present, we do have some traffic misdemeanors that we're going to cover first. These are where traffic tickets where you missed a court date. Someone get you a new court date. Also, when you do attend these court dates, it's going to be by Zoom, which is the video teleconferencing technology that we're using today. You're going to receive instructions on how to dial in for your next court date, and you do need to come back for all of your dates until your judge tells you that you're done with these tickets, okay?
Okay.
Okay, calling P ticket 109-8930, People State, Michigan versus Desian Michelle Jones. Ms. Jones, you're charged with misdemeanor counts 1, 2, and 3. Driving a registered or untitled vehicle, driving while unlicensed, and improper plates. Missed a court date. It's going to be personal bond, no dollar amount listed. Ticket 13433-257. You're charged with no operator's license on person. It's a personal bond, no dollar amount listed. These. Stand by. All right, these tickets are misdemeanors. The penalty that you could receive is 93 days in jail and a $500 fine. You understand the charges that were read and the penalty that you could receive on the tickets?
Yes.
Okay, court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. There's going to be a Zoom pretrial date set for April 23, 2021 at 9 o'clock at the 36th District Court in front of Judge Sabri. With any criminal matter, you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say orally or in writing can and will be used against you in a court of law. You also have the right to an attorney. If you cannot vote on your own, the court will appoint one for you at public expense. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
All right, this time the warrant's set aside and the bond is continued. Stand by. You just have to finish up your paperwork here, then we'll get to your other case.
Okay.
Holding. Case number 2005-792601, People State of Michigan versus Desian Michelle Jones, counsel.
Dr. Child, on behalf of President Jones, we're still reading and the constitutional
Go with the formal reading into a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Stand by. There is. Stand by. This is going to be a Zoom probable cause conference date set for April 19, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. to 36th District Court, followed by a Zoom for an examination date to be determined at the 36th District Court in front of Judge K. Jones and Esteban.
34 years old, was one resident of Michigan, not employed at this moment, doesn't receive government assistance, doesn't have her GED, not on probation or parole, didn't from college, never arraigned on this matter, understands criminal contact order, Your Honor, has the relevant, expect that, of course, is their personal bond.
Okay, did you see his bond or any hold?
She has a hold, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel will take some counter representations, including her significant long-term ties to the community, also her ability to, her status as to ability to post bond. Also, court takes into account this is a matter from just over a year ago, and that your client will be able to maintain the no contact order for those reasons. Court will set bond amount of $3,500 personal bond. While this case is pending, no contact with complaining witness Edwin Bichon. No contact means no written or verbal communication with this person, no messages to him through third parties. No contact or those extends to his place of residence and place of employment, and no social media contacts directly or indirectly. Is there anything further? Okay, you're all set, ma'am. You can step away from the camera.
Okay, so for what I did here, okay, thank you.
Ready? Step in, stand on the black line, take the 4 names.
Ashley Nicole Reddick.
Okay, Ms. Reddick, calling case number 210-56644, People City, Michigan versus defendant number 2, Nicole Ashley Reddick, counsel. Call with formal reading into your not guilty plea on the client's behalf. There's a Zoom probable cause conference date April 19, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. to Thursday District Court in front of Judge. Looking like McConico, followed by a Zoom preliminary examination date to be determined in front of Judge King and as to bond.
35 years old, lifelong resident of Michigan, no priors, been a CNA for 7 years, Your Honor, it's a high school grad, and, consultant, lives with her 4 kids, has family ties, community ties, I'm respect that.
Thank you. Did you see his bond when he holds?
Yeah, no hold, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, the council court takes into account the representation, including these are all non-assaultive charges. Further, the pandemic facing the nation and the client has very significant ties to the community, including gainful employment. Given those elements, I was set by the amount of $2,000 personal bond and no firearms while the case is pending. Is there anything further? Okay, you're all set, ma'am. You can step away from the camera.
Step in, stand on the black line, take the 4 names.
Hi, ma'am, your name?
Sharon Jeanette Patrick.
Thank you, Ms. Patton. Thank you, ma'am. Calling case number 2104438, two People City, Michigan versus Sheriff Patton, counsel. Go with formal reading into your not guilty plea on your client's behalf. There's a Zoom pretrial date April 29, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. to Thursday District Court in front of Judge Bryant and as to bond.
She's 40 years old, lifelong resident of Michigan, no priors to my knowledge, is employed, in home health care, is a high school grad, certified, as well, and lives with her 2 kids, Your Honor. Understands no contact orders, charges of misdemeanor, respect that support to the sheriff personal bond.
Thank you, Ms. Bond. Are there any holds?
No hold, Your Honor.
All right, council court takes account representations. And at this time, court will set bond in the amount of $2,000 personal bond. Also, because this includes an allegation of an assaultive nature, no contact with the complaining witness, Yuchai Dong. No contact means no written or verbal communication with this person, no messages to them through third parties. And no contact would also extend to their place of residence and place of employment, and no social media contacts directly or indirectly. Is there anything further? Okay, you're all set, ma'am. You can step away from the camera.
Step in, stand on the black line, take the 4 names.
Raven Marquette Llewellyn.
Okay, Ms. Llewellyn, calling case number 210-56651, People City, Michigan versus Raven Marquette Llewellyn, counsel.
Reading understands the constitutional right to stay.
Call with the formal reading into your not guilty plea on your client's behalf. There's going to be a Zoom probable cause conference date April 5, 2021 at 8:30 for Thursday District Court, followed by a Zoom preliminary examination date April 12, 2021. Sorry, try that. Probable cause conference date by Zoom April 5, 2021 in front of Judge McConico, followed by a Zoom preliminary examination date on April 12, 2021 at 9 o'clock at the Thursday District Court in front of Judge King and Esteban.
31 years old, lifelong resident of the Detroit area, has no prior, has been employed at Hollingsworth for 8 years, is a high school grad, 2 years at Lee State, now on probation or parole, lives with both parents, community ties, family ties, is not involved in some respect that support to their personal life.
Okay, and as to bond, are there any holds?
She has hold, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Council Court takes account representations, including your client's significant ties to the community, the pandemic facing the nation, and these are non-assaultive charges. Given those elements, court will set bond amount of $1,000 personal bond and no firearms while this case is pending. Is there anything further? Okay, you're all set, ma'am. You can step away from the camera.
Come on, ladies, you're all on back. Sure, we have a line mark.
We don't have the line marker.
You do not have line marker, is that correct? Sorry?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Not there.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's like really loud. Say again?
Can we confirm with DDC that that individual is not there?
Okay, DDC, madam, if you would please, can we just confirm that Lisa Linebarger is not at your facility, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, we appreciate you. I think that's everything until 2:30. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.